Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe dashboard for creators. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Stripe, which is www.stripe.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter the email address associated with your Stripe account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your authentication method. Enter the code you receive. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will land on the Stripe dashboard. Here, you can view your earnings and track your financial metrics. Use the sidebar to navigate to different sections of your account. You will find options such as Payments, Balance, and Reports. Click on Payments to see your transaction history. To view detailed earnings reports, go to the Reports section. From there, you can customize your report filters to suit your needs. You can also download reports for offline access if needed. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with all available features. Now you are ready to effectively track your earnings through the Stripe dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.